Hi everyone, welcome back. In this section, we are going to look at how to add a stiffener to an FPC in EasyEDA. First, a quick introduction to FPC. FPC stands for Flexible Printed Circuit, which, as the name suggests, is a circuit board that can bend and fold. Compared to a regular rigid PCB, FPC are thin and flexible, making them perfect for tight spaces or creative designs. However, because they are bendable and made from soft materials, FPC can easily break, get damaged, or have connection come loose if they don't have proper support. That's where a stiffener comes in. It significantly improves the mechanical strength of the FPC, keeping the board stable and reliable even when bent or under stress. Knowing how to add a stiffener is therefore essential for FPC design. The process is actually pretty simple and can be done in 3 steps. Step 1. Go to top menu, Find Place, and select FPC stiffener. Step 2. Draw the stiffener over the area of the board that needs support. Once it's drawn, select the stiffener you just created. Step 3. In the Properties panel on the right, set the parameters according to your needs, such as material and thickness. In short, this feature lets us easily add stiffener to FPC, improving their structural stability and making them better suited for real-world applications.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.